Hey my country people, how una dey? I don bring another news come for una again o. Is your girl Cindy. Una know say for dis channel na ogbonge news I dey carry come, undiluted as dem dey cook am, na so I dey carry come give una. Today na Jnrpope matter we carry come. Congratulations and in orders as Jnrpope don buy house. Omo, no be small thing. This is indeed a great news for everybody. So as amiibo wey I be so, that's why I say let me just go big, for comment section. Na so congratulations dem dey talk, and at the same time Nigerians dey chook mouth dey talk say Jnrpope abeg wetin give you abeg. Say where you dey see all this money wey you take build house for this hard economy, for this our Tinubu regime, na you take gather money take build house? Omo, wetin give you money? You better start to dey talk, cause we no understand you. Wetin give you money? If na female actor, any woman buy house for this internet where we dey, the next thing wey they go dey talk be say na ashawo the girl dey do, or na sugar daddy give her money. So some comments wey I read, a lot of women, a lot of people come dey ask, come dey throw back the thing to Jnrpope, say oga wetin give you money? How you take build house for this hard economy? How you take build house for this Tinubu regime where we dey so, where money no dey? You never tell us how you get money. You better come and tell us say how you get money, cause we no go allow you rest. As una no dey allow female rest when they buy house, na so we go disturb you. Omo, no be small thing. Wetin dey happen? Make we learn to dey congratulate people without judging them. If female buy house, make una congratulate them. At least e no even easy to dey open kpekus around. E no easy. People wey dey throw girls wey dey buy house, wey dey do big things, they call am say dem be ashawo. You fit do ashawo, you fit do am. If they give you the kpekus say make you open dey jaye, dey get money, you fit do am. E no even be a small job o. Seriously, no be small job. Cause when you just open legs for one person, two people, every day your guinea, your ifeanyi go dey catch fire. E no easy. So even if na ashawo women take dey build their houses or buy or do big things, make una congratulate them. No be every time woman buy things, next thing na ashawo, next thing na sugar daddy. Anybody win, make una congratulate am. Shekina, no be everything una go dey chook mouth dey ask unnecessary questions. Anyway, congratulations to actor Jnrpope and him wife and him family. E no dey easy, for this hard economy, God just do am for una. E no dey easy. I tap from it though. I tap from the good news. Say I go build my whole house very soon, cause e no dey easy to dey build house. This one no be say they buy am, they build am from scratch. They build am from one block, two blocks, three blocks down to mansion. E no dey easy. So make una congratulate them for me. Una don hear? Might no hear any comment for my video. Una don hear me.